Subscribe now. Ulefone have released a new battery life beast into the wild. The Power 3. And this time it ain't no run-of-the-mill smartphone. This has to be their mightiest attempt at pleasing their fans yet. As the Power 3 makes some big leaps when it comes to its hardware. That's right. It has a whopping 6GB of RAM, 64GB standard storage, has a full HD plus 18:9 display, 4 cameras, Face ID, a brand new Helio P23 and it comes with a March update to Android 8.1. Plus let's not forget, it's packing a mighty 6080 mAh battery while only weighing a measly 210 grams. Ulefone have jumped on the 18:9 bandwagon with the Ulefone Power 3, meaning it'll have a taller and slimmer display than traditional 16:9 smartphones. They've not skimped out on the pixels either, extending the resolution on the 6-inch display to 2160x1080 rather than dropping it lower. It's full HD plus baby with a respectable PPI of 402. They've also opted to throw the fingerprint reader onto the back and slim down the top and bottom bezels, which Ulefone claims has given the Power 3 a screen-body ratio of 90.8%, although I don't fully believe that figure. The Ulefone Power 3 is one of the first Android phones to feature a next-generation MediaTek chip. It will use the mid-range octa-core Helio P23, MediaTek 6763, which focuses on improved camera quality and world-class power efficiency. While the P23 is capable of 2.3 GHz multi-core speeds and up to 2.5 GHz single-core speeds, the version inside the Ulefone Power 3 will be underclocked at 2 GHz. You'll also see a big bump in graphics as the Helio P23, MediaTek 6763, will come with the new ARM Mali G71 mobile graphics processor. Backing this up is 6GB of RAM, but Ulefone hasn't mentioned whether it's LPDDR4X yet. It will come with 64GB of storage as standard, and this will be expandable via microSD up to 256GB in size. It's also good to see that Ulefone hasn't skimped on the Power 3's camera, with the rear camera featuring a dual lens setup, 21MP plus 5MP, and the selfie camera also has an impressive 13MP plus 5MP dual lens setup as well. As the name suggests, this phone is all about the power. The Ulefone Power 3 comes with a huge 6080 mAh battery that will keep you off-grid for an impressive 2-3 days. With such a mammoth battery size, you'll be glad to hear that the Power 3 has fast charging built in. Inside the box, the Power 3 comes with a quick charge 4.0 charger, 3 amps, that promises a full 100% charge in 120 minutes, or you can get a 30% charge in just 30 minutes.